In today's video, we will be using all of Art & Glow's products. We will be making a rectangle tray using the puddle pour technique. For my color additives, I'm going to be using Art & Glow's Pearl pigments in black, fuchsia, and purple. I'll also be using white sinking alcohol ink. Once you get all of your additives mixed in with the resin and get it all divvied up, leave a little bit of clear resin left over to pour in between your layers. Now let's start pouring. I always start with a little bit of clear. I just feel like it helps the other color layers flow just a little bit better. When doing a puddle pour, you just want to layer all of your colors right on top of one another, just pouring right directly in the center. You can see as I go, I'm tilting every now and then just to keep where you're pouring right in the center. At this point, I'm just using the rest of my extra pigment just to fill in the sides. Don't forget to torch any of those pesky bubbles out. Let's see how we did. When unmolding, you just want to flip it back over so you can really see your artwork. It looks so cool, just like tie-dye. But I really don't like the center. It's because I ended with clear. We can fix that though. Let's add flowers. Using just a little bit of super glue, I just add a little bit to the back of my ferns and flowers just to secure them in place. Now that you have your little flower arrangement secured down with super glue, you can start to get your resin ready to pour over top. Here you'll just want to drizzle it over your flowers, making sure to cover all the petals. Some little parts of the petals or leaves might stick out a little bit, so just try to push them down. If any of them are sticking out way too bad, it's okay. You can just add more resin. And there you have it, a beautiful tray made just by you. Head down to the description to find a link for the detailed guide.